Howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2006 installation, Blow Up, Muy Shelley, by the artist Josephine Mexiper. Mexiper was born in Lilienthal, Germany, in 1964. She is known for her works that criticize consumer culture and mass production in contemporary society. Blow Up, Muy Shelley, is an example of her work, consisting of a vitrine which houses objects including hosiery, a mannequin body, socks, and a toilet bowl brush. This work inspires me to think about taking mundane objects and elevating or critiquing them through arrangement and juxtaposition. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist Tim Rose Bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.